Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can edit saved Google passwords in Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then tap on Google. Following that, select Autofill, then Autofill with Google and Passwords. Now you can finally tap on one of your added ones that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then select Edit and change wherever you wish to. Lastly, to save your changes, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!